Hello children, this is the complete chapter of quadratic equation for class 10 CBSE. Okay, I will show you the important questions written here. Practice these questions. First of all, we are going to see the quadratic equation chapter. This is the quick revision for the 10th class children CBSE. Okay, first of all, I am going to show you what are the formulas, how to do the basic examples, important questions. Okay children, now here on the screen you will see what is the quadratic equation. First of all, what is the quadratic equation children? Okay, you are seeing that when we equate a quadratic polynomial, that p of x is a polynomial to a constant, when we equate that constant to a polynomial equation, we get the quadratic equation. Firstly, you have completed your preparation children, I think. Okay, please, this is the quick revision. Take this as a revision, complete revision chapter of quadratic chapter. Okay, any equation of the form p of x equal to k, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2 and c is a constant, is the quadratic equation what? X square plus bx plus c is equal to k, and degree what? 2. Okay, the standard form of quadratic equation is this one: x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. A is not equal to 0, must be it is not equal to 0, and a is the quotient of x square children, and it is called a quadratic quotient. B is the quotient of x, and linear quotient. C is the constant term. Solving the quadratic equation by factorization method children. Okay, first of all we are going to solve quadratic equation by using factorization method. Okay children, now see here which is easy for you children. Factorization method, very easy children, please note down this. If the values of x for which, how we used to do the factorization method. Okay, roots are, we have to find of a given quadratic equation. If you have given this quadratic equation, we have to take it as a two distinct roots we have to find out. Okay, two equal roots or two roots may not exist, then graphically we can represent the roots. Okay children, now another I am going to show you one example children in quadratic. Wait, the screen I am taking one example. Okay, see here, solving a quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay, see children, consider the 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is given for you. You can take as a factorization method, which is very easy children. First of all, we have to multiply a and c. What you will get? 6, and middle term what? B is minus 5. So we have to take the terms 2x and 3x. See here, 2 3s are 6, and when we add these both we get 5x. So like this we have to take the terms which gets the value same 5x, and when we multiply we have to get the 6, that is 2 into 3 we get the term 6. So this step is splitting the middle term. 5x is splitted in two terms. Okay, we split the middle term by finding two numbers, minus 2 and minus 3, such that the sum is equal to quotient of x and the product is equal to the product of quotient. So we get what children? A minus 2 plus 3 minus 3 is equal to minus 5, and minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 6. I have explained, you know. Then we get substituting this, taking x common, here 3 common, we get x minus 1 to x minus 3. Then the value in this step, what we will get? X equal to 1 and x equal to 3 by 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. This method of solving is called factorization method children. Okay, very easy method children. Please solve this, practice this quadratic equation by using factorization method. Okay, now let us take another example here, that is solving by completion of squares. Completion of squares method. See here, solving of quadratic equation by completion of squares method. In this method of completion, we have to express the form in x plus r minus k whole square equal to p square. Consider the equation as this one, and for example, I am taking this example. Then express the quadratic equation in the standard form. Divide the equation by x square to make the quotient 1. Here 2 is there, no? So we have to divide by that. Add the square of a half of the quotient, and both sides we get x square plus or minus 2x kx plus k square. Then we have this one. We get after simplifying, we get this term x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 5 is equal to 0. So isolate the above equation on LHS to obtain the equation in the form of x plus r minus k whole square is equal to p square. We have to change this given equation into this form. Okay, x plus r minus k whole square is equal to p square. This is the formula. Then take this positive and negative square roots. We get x equal to minus 1 or x equal to 5. Like this we have to change the given quadratic equation in the squares, complete square form. Okay, now solving quadratic equation by quadratic formula, that is by using quadratic formula. What is the formula, children? X equal minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. This is the quick recap, children. You have studied already, no? So see here how I am explaining you to revise the chapter. B square minus 4ac by 2a is the formula of quadratic equation. By substituting the values, given example I am taking here, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So in this example, comparing with x square plus bx plus c, we have a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 6. Substituting this in this directly in the formula, we get the values, children. Okay, now hence the values are x equal to what we get 6 by 2 and x equal to 4 by 2. Therefore the roots of the quadratic equations are 3, 2. Okay, like this. What is discriminant, children, for any quadratic equation? Discriminant is the b square minus 4ac is the finding the discriminant of the given quadratic equation. It is denoted by how? D, capital D. Determines the discriminant. What it is? Discriminant determine the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation based on the coefficients of the quadrant, because we have to find this b square minus 4ac. I will explain you next here what is quadratic equation, how to find the nature of the roots. Okay, how we will find, you know already, nature of the roots, that is how you will find nature of the roots. B square minus 4ac. See here, children, b square minus 4ac. See, b square minus 4ac. After finding this, if we get d greater than the 0, then we get three cases arise from this discriminant. Distinct roots, we get 2 distinct roots, and equal to 0 obtained by this. After doing this, we get 2 equal roots, and less than 0, no real roots. Okay, like this. For example, I am taking this example to x square minus 7x plus 3, finding here b square minus 4ac, d equal to 25. 25 is positive number, therefore roots are greater than 0, distinct real roots. Substituting the coefficients in the quadratic formula, we get the positive values. Okay, children. Another now solving quadratic equation when d equal to 0. That is d equal to 0, what you will get? If d equal to 0, the equation has equal roots. That is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, we have minus b by 2a. Okay, like this. If d is less than 0, we get what? Complex root, non-real roots. Okay, like this. Okay, now another graphical representation is not important, children. If you have studied already, it's okay, but I am explaining you important problems. Okay, formation of a equation by from its roots. To find out the quadratic equation when the roots are given, if you have given roots in the question and find the quadratic equation is given, how you will find? Let us take two roots are alpha and beta, and like this we have to find alpha plus beta and alpha beta, substitute in this, then we will get the quadratic equation. For this I am explaining in the example, children. Here, find the form the quadratic equation if the roots of -3 and 4 is given. So given roots I am taking as alpha and beta here, and substituting. First we have find alpha plus beta and alpha beta product and sum we have to find. Sum of the roots is -3 plus 4 is 1, and -3 into 4 is -12. Substituting this in this formula, what you will get? X square minus x minus 2, which is the required quadratic equation. This one is the required quadratic equation, like this. Now sum and product of the roots you have seen here, alpha plus beta minus b by a and alpha beta c by a. Find the sum. Sum is given, product and sum is we have to find, then we have to see minus b by a and c by a we have to do. That is the formula. Sum of the roots equal to minus b by a, product of the roots equal to c by a, children. Please remember these formulas in quadratic chapter so that you can do problems easily, children. Okay, now another important topic in this is important problems I have written here, children, for you. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. We have to split or expand these equations and form as a in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then it is in the form of quadratic equation. Yes, we can form. Okay, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 122. So we have to take sum means alpha and beta, we have to take the numbers. Sum means alpha beta is equal to 27 and product is 182. We are taking alpha beta equal to 182 and we have to find the alpha beta values. Okay, find the roots of by the method of factorization. You know the factorization. Split this 3x in two terms and take out common term. Find the values of k for which the quadratic equation kx is into x minus 2 plus 6 equal has two equal roots. So we have to take out this k value. From this we have to express as a quadratic equation first and take out the k value. Okay, so like this we have to do the problems. We have to practice like this problem, same problem. These are the repeated questions. This way we ask the questions in quadratic chapter. Okay, children, so practice these important questions. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in comment section, children. I will upload next chapter in this algebra. Okay, I have uploaded many chapters for class 10 CBSE exam 2024. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for your friends and family friends. Thank you.